Hi, hello, my dear friends. I'm very glad to see you through this channel. I'm hoping you are all doing very well. Just today, we are going to see about a specific and interesting topic because let's see, in our life, we are all facing some of the difficulties, worries. So, in some of the situation, it will go very hard level. On that time, definitely we will think about if any wonder will happen, our problem will solved, or the level is will be reduced, like that definitely we will think. But in most of the time it will not happen in our life. So we have to do hard work to solve that problems. But in world there are lots of wonders that is created by God, also by humans. Today, I think you get it. We are going to see about the seven wonders in the world. At first, we are going to see one place. I give some of the clues about that place. This place is specifically present nearby our country, and this is the longest wall around the world. Yeah, guess. I think you will get it. Yeah, sure. This is the Greater China Wall. Let's go and explore the China Wall with me. Definitely, you will enjoy. Come on, let's go.
പരിമിതമായ മഹാത്ഭുതങ്ങളിലൊന്നാണ് ചൈന വനം. ശാഖകളടക്കം
The Great Wall of China is the collective name of a series of fortification systems generally built across the historical northern borders of China to protect and consolidate territories of Chinese states and empires against various nomadic groups of the steppe and their politics. Apart from defense, other purposes of the Great Wall have included border controls, allowing the imposition of duties on goods transported along the Silk Road, regulation or encouragement of trade, and the control of immigration and emigration. Furthermore, the defensive characteristics of the Great Wall were enhanced by the construction of watchtowers, troop barracks, garrison stations, signaling capabilities through the means of smoke of fire, and the fact that the path of the Great Wall also served as a transportation corridor. A comprehensive archaeological survey using advanced technologies has concluded that the walls built by the Ming dynasty measure 8,850 km. This is made up of 6,259 km sections of actual wall, 359 km of trenches, and 2232 km of natural defensive barriers such as hills and rivers. Another archaeological survey found that the entire wall will all of its branches measures out to be 21,196 km. Today, the defensive system of the Great Wall is generally recognized as one of the most impressive architectural feats in history. The Chinese were already familiar with the techniques of wall building by the time of the Spring and Atom period between the 8th and 5th centuries BC. During this time and the subsequent Warring States period, the states of Qin, Wei, Zhao, Qu, Han, Yan, and Zhongshan all constructed extensive fortifications to defend their own borders. The Great Wall of the Han is the longest all walls from Mamitu near Yumengwan to Liaodong. King Zheng of Qin conquered the last of his opponents and unified China as the first emperor of the Qin dynasty in 221 BC. Intending to impose centralized rule and prevent the resurgence of feudal lords, he ordered the destruction of the sections of the walls that divided his empire among the former states. The human cost of the construction is unknown, but it has been estimated by some authors that hundreds of thousands, if not up to 1 million, workers died building the Kunal. Later, the Han, the Northern dynasties, and the Shu all repaired, rebuilt, or expanded sections of the Great Wall at great cost to defend themselves against northern invaders. Ming era. The Great Wall concept was revived again under the Ming in the 14th century and following the Ming army's defeat by the Oirites in the Battle of Timur. The Ming had failed to gain a clear upper hand over to the Mongolian tribes after successive battles, and the long-drawn conflict was taking a toll on the empire. The Ming adopted a new strategy to keep the nomadic tribes out by the constructing walls along the northern border of China. Acknowledging the Mongol control established in the Ordos Desert, the wall followed the desert's southern edge instead of incorporating the bend of the Yellow River. During the 1440s to 1460s, the Ming also built a so-called Liaodong Wall, similar in function to the Great Wall but more basic in construction. The Liaodong Wall enclosed the agricultural heartland of the Liaodong province, protecting it against potential incursions by judged Mongol Oryangan from the northwest and the Jiangsu Jurchens from the north. Towards the end of the Ming, the Great Wall helped defend the empire against the Manchu invasions that began around 1600. Even after the loss of all of Liaodong, the Ming army held the heavily fortified Shanghai Pesh, preventing the Manchus from conquering the China's heartland. The Manchus were finally able to cross the Great Wall in 1644 after Beijing had already fallen to Li Zicheng's rebel. Before this time, the Manchus had crossed the Great Wall multiple times to ride, but this time it was for Ming General Wu Zhangui, who formed an alliance with the Manchus, hoping to use the Manchus to expel the rebels from Beijing. The Manchus quickly seized Beijing and eventually defeated both the rebel-founded Shan dynasty and the remaining Min resistance, establishing the Qing dynasty rule over all of China. Under the Qing rule, China's borders extended beyond the walls and Mongolia was annexed into the empire, so constructions on the Great Wall were discontinued. When China opened its borders to foreign merchants and visitors after its defeat in the First and Second Opium Wars, the Great Wall became a main attraction for tourists. The travel acts of the later 19th century further enhanced. Thank you one and all for watching this video from starting till the end. I am requesting you to like this video if you really like, or if you want to share this video to your friends and your family members, please share it. And please, new subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, so only you will get all of the notification are posted in this YouTube channel. And be always happy and make a smile always with your face, and don't worry about your problems. Let's see you all through another video on another day. Till that, bye bye from me, it's Franklin.